Low maintenance living in a fantastic location. This beautiful townhome's open floor plan boasts a sunny 2-story living room with fireplace and French doors to access the private deck. The main level features gleaming hardwood floors throughout and is perfect for entertaining. Spacious kitchen features 42 inches cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, there's a master suite with walk-in closet and shared bathroom plus a second nice-sized bedroom. The sunny loft offers an ideal space for home office or reading nook. 2-car attached garage. Unfinished basement has rough-in for bath and plenty of additional storage. Nestled on a private cul-de-sac just 5 minutes from Winfield and Wheaton Metra stations and close to shops, restaurants, Cantigny, Forest Preserves and CDH. Updates include main new roof, siding, windows and more. Nothing to do but move in and enjoy.